Studios, Florida. And this is our first time together at a Halloween Horror Nights. So this is a very exciting thing, guys. Buckle up, it's gonna be a lot of fun. We hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here. We are Eric and Monica with the ParkHoppers. Please consider subscribing. We'd love to be able to bring you along again in the future. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
Hear my voice, Halloween Horror Night. I am Dr. Taylor. I've been watching you. For years, I've seen you shaking in fear, yet begging for more. You practically worshipped those who stood here before me. Doctors, directors, even clowns. But I don't want your worship. I want what you want. So what is that? Fear, horror? I promise these can unhinge your soul and prepare you for something more. Power, immortality. That is what I'm offering. Enter now. As this horror night begins!
The AC feels so amazing in here, though.
Standby entrance.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you, sir.
We got a ticket.
Gotta get a queue ticket.
Cute tickets. These guys are more. About 50 minutes into waiting for Stranger Things house, Rip Ride Rocket started testing.
And about 1 hour and 3 minutes later, we're about to enter our first house of the night. Along with the cast change. So we just finished our first house, Stranger Things. What do you think, honey?
That was terrifying and so cool all at once. Like, I love going through the story of Stranger Things, which is awesome, but the jump scares are real. They're intense. Yeah.
I like how much we saw of Vecna.
Yeah, we saw a lot of Vecna. That was cool. And you get to see like a lot of the main characters from the Stranger Things. And the set was amazing. Like, so much work went into it. But definitely, yeah, I got scared a lot.
I think the scariest jump scare we had was one of the jock from the TV series. I don't remember his name.
Robin got me too.
Yeah, Robin got
me too.
Yeah.
But yeah, Vecna was intense. So, and I love the part with 11 and Vecna. It was so cool.
11 and 1.
Yeah, amazing house. Highly recommend it. Really cool. Good scares. Loved it.
It's a longer scare zone than I thought. This is definitely a more compressed scare zone. Better than eating you?
Pumpkin. I'm David Pumpkins, and I'm gonna scare the hell out of you. Any questions?
What's your name?
I'm David Pumpkins, man. Now watch this. Preguntas?
May we have a selfie?
Mm-hmm.
Diagon Alley enjoying the Death Eater's encounter, we decided to come over here and get some pizza fries that we've heard so many good things about. We waited about 15-20 minutes for these guys and we're looking forward to trying them. Hopefully they're good. Well, they're those crinkle cut fries, pepperoni and sausage. Looks pretty good.
We only did one house tonight and we got some pizza fries which were pretty good.
I would say they're pretty good.
Yeah, a little...
Nothing I'd go back for, honestly, but I mean, it was good.
Had a good time. It was a lot of fun. It was a weird experience. We've never done anything like this before.
No.
So
It's definitely not Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. That's for sure.
That is true.
I think my highlight of today was I really enjoyed the Death Eaters encounter over at Diagon Alley. That was amazing.
That was really cool.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well.
Yeah. And for those of you trying to catch it, it runs about every half hour or so. When they go back to wherever they come from through their portal or whatever, about 10 minutes later they'll portal back. So you can usually catch them over in Diagon Alley. It's not too difficult to do so.
Yeah. And they're wandering around like everywhere. We got caught off guard so many times. Like, it was awesome. So good.
Absolutely. And if there's any houses you're wanting to do in particular, right at the start, there's things like Stay and Scream.
Oh yeah, we definitely would recommend Stay and Scream and know the house you want to go to, so that way you know the location you want to go to.
Absolutely.
If Stay and Scream is a feasible option for you.
Right, and the more popular houses get really busy during the center of the event.
And they were still really busy at the end now.
Yeah,
so
it's getting close to 11:30. The times are going down. I saw that Stranger Things was only 45 minutes.
That's amazing.
So
you want to go do Stranger Things again?
Do you want to go back to the Upside Down?
Not tonight.
So guys, this is just our first time at Halloween Horror Nights. We'll be back. We're going to do more houses. We're going to do some scare zones and stuff. We did a really cool scare zone today. That was Vamp 69. That was
amazing. That was so good. Can't wait to go back through there again.
So again, guys, we'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, we are Eric and Monica. We're the Park Hoppers. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you along with us again in the future. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button. We'd really appreciate that very much, guys.
I'll give you the thumbs up, but I'm holding our drink.
Right.
And these are awesome, by the way. These are like the refillable drinks that you get for the day. Like, amazing deal. Like, refill at all the freestyle machines, which at Universal, there's so many locations.
There are.
So it's really easy to stay hydrated.
Good. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye, guys.